What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Money Moves with K. I am K, and today we're going to talk about a secret website that finds government auctions nationwide for free. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I did not want to share this website. Why? Because it's a gem. Okay, so do me a favor, like this video, share this video. When you make it to the very end of the video, please do that as well. Make sure you comment below. Let me know what's going on. But for now, let's go ahead and share this particular website. Let me share my screen. So this website has 43,012 active listings in real estate across the United States. Now, I will say this here. What this website basically does is compile I still have some other websites, by the way, that are not on here, but they compile most government auction websites into one search. Okay, so you would be able to look at what is for sale across different platforms without having multiple tabs open trying to find these good deals. Okay, so it's a game changer, and that's what I'm going to ask you to put in the comment section. Game changer for sure. Okay, so because this is a real estate channel, I will highlight real estate data, but they have cars, they have equipment, meaning like machinery, everything you can imagine is on here. And again, like I said earlier, they pretty much look at most government websites across the board so that you don't have to search. Plus, they do not charge anything. It's for free. All right. So the name of this website is BidProwl. All right. BidProwl. BidProwl is the name of the website. And what I wanted to do is go to this browse section here and show you different categories that they do have. Okay, so vehicles, office furniture, military surplus, general surplus, heavy equipment, tools and industry, real estate, ding, 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 that's us, electronics, medical and scientific, and seized property. That may be us as well. They actually have USPS, a tab for USPS surplus property as well. Okay, so I've learned about that in the past, but again, I can get, caught up in each and every category. In fact, I've already searched each and every category and I see some other finds outside of real estate that I'm going to check on. But for this particular video, and because this is a real estate channel, like I said, we're going to look at real estate. So this is the map. I just had this up not too long ago. And as you can see to the right, you have, first of all, let's look at the map for a second. So on the map, you can see that these little green circles tell you pretty much how many properties are within that particular state, right? So you will see that it hits just about every state. Okay, not all states. I kind of see here there's a lack of green dots, but pretty much all states. So you can't complain there. All right. So here we go. Let's look to the right, and it has the actual government information or auction. So this is a chicken coop for sale, for instance, in my example or this example, and it's on GovDeals. Now, once you click it, and I know this is not necessarily, it may not be what you're looking for. It may be what you're looking for, but once you click it, you have a tab here that takes you directly to GovDeals in the event that you wanted to bid on this particular chicken coop, okay? Let's look at some other properties that, maybe land, homes, etc. All right. So here's a home here on 35 acres of land. And you can also filter it, right? So if you come up here, it says ending soon, you can click that and you can filter it to the newest listings or the most bids or priced high to low or low to high. Same, I just want to say that I wanted to highlight this because that is very important as well. In the event that you say, hey, Kay, that's too far away, I'm not interested in that, right? Let me show you some other auction websites that are highlighted here, right? GovDeals, HiBid. I've discussed HiBid on one of my channels, or not channels, but one of my videos before. So HiBid is up here. You have GovDeals. We know about GovDeals. Ritchie Brothers. We know about them as well. I know about them. I've done a video on that as well. And HUD, right? So HUD is a federal. Let me click it. This particular property as an example. And you click here and it'll take you to the HUD home store, all right? So let me scroll down a little bit more to see other government websites or auction websites on here. And the list goes on, all right? So let's check, let's see. Is this New Mexico or Colorado? Let's go back up to the search, and I want to search a specific. Okay, I think this is a USPS. See, I get distracted. This is a USPS listing right here because I see the post office listing right here, which is a hidden gem, by the way. But let me browse a specific state based on what I see here, and I want to browse. Let's see. Let's browse Michigan, because you might be saying, Kay, where are the deals? And let's make this more precise and say that we are looking for real estate. All right. So this is some real estate, and I want to filter this out from low to high. Price low to high. I think these are listed until sold. This is $14,000. This is in Jerome, Michigan. This is $36,000 for some land. Okay. And remember, guys, these are not the final prices. It's a bid opportunity, right? So it's going to bid up or maybe not. Most people, so if you're watching this, you are in the very few, amongst the few, but most people don't even know about this website. I hold on to these websites for quite a while, and I release them, right? So make sure you're actively engaged in the channel. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure that you are, and this is not the only website, I have a ton more that I haven't discussed before. Make sure you are commenting and showing me some love. Show the channel some love, and make sure you encourage this, because if I don't see a lot of views or comments on this particular video, I won't make another one like it. So keep that in mind. Let's check Georgia for a second. Okay, so Georgia has some portable trailers. I did a video on that as well. I'll link that in the description. It did very well on this channel. But I think the most important part about this whole, me revealing this whole website, is that it tells you where the deal is actually at, right? So this is on govdeals.com, and you may stumble across some auction websites that you've never heard of before. So this will help you say, I have everything consolidated in one website. And you might say, well, Kate, is this a charge? Like I said before, and it's in the title, this is a free service. You can just peruse each and every listing and see what you find and go from there. So I really wanted to bring this video to you and bring this information to you, because why not, right? So like I said, I did want to keep it. Let me see something real quick. So this is, and in that video that I did about transitioning a mobile trailer to a home, it's possible, right? But you do have to look at zoning. That's, the obvious here. But what was I about to say? A lot of school districts do partner. I have another website that is not on here. But a lot of school districts do partner with outside or third party entities so that they can sell or auction off the property, right? Their surplus property. And in this particular case, GovDeals is a very popular one. However, I have a ton more other opportunities that are not talked about. And this just happens to be one. But again, I like this website because it does just lay everything out for you, and you can kind of search. Let me go back. I'm looking for a tiny home too. So let's see. Let's see if I put tiny home in here. Would it pull anything up? Let's see. It did. Now I want to see all states. So I don't want to just see Georgia. I want to see all states to see what they provide for me. And here we go. Now, what they consider tiny house, I mean, I don't know how much square footage or whatever the case may be. Okay, this one's $15,000. It's just, I think it's a lot. And they don't have any pictures, but they do tell you there's no bids. And where is this going? Fannie Mae Home Path. Fannie Mae Home Path. I didn't know that they had, well, I think that's just land. All right, I'm gonna stop here. You get my drift, right? So I really wanted to bring this video to you and this particular resource to you so that you can report back to me how you like it or you don't like it, right? I know you will be very opinionated on that, right? But if you made this far in the video, I truly do appreciate you in the comments section. Put game changer. It allows me to know you made it this far in the video, and I truly do appreciate it. Until next time, guys, you stay blessed. Peace.